there's so much to do here and just one weekend to do it. What should we start with? Hey there. How's it going? Good, thanks.
How does that feel, Taylor?
Feels wonderful, let me tell you.
I just think you're funny. I don't think you're supposed to put it on over your beard.
But it looks like I shaved, isn't that cool?
Should I have my sunglasses on? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, because
yeah.
it's the desert.